do 2 at a time.
Bull in a china shop. Bull in a china shop.
Good day.
Good bad.
Today we're playing Yeti In My Spaghetti.
In real
life! What we're gonna do is grab onto a pipe with one hand and try to remove it
without dropping
the Yeti, into the
spaghetti.
Okay, so the person that ends up pulling the piece that allows the Yeti to drop into the spaghetti loses. The punishment is
spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Don't get to eat it. It gets to eat you.
It's slime spaghetti, so try not to be that person.
Don't be the loser.
Who wants to go first?
me.
Okay, go.
I was gonna say Eddie.
Keep going.
All right, Eddie.
And whichever one you touch, you have to pull that one out.
Yes.
Yeah,
easy.
easy peasy.
That was pretty good.
Ah,
Who's next? We can go in a circle.
lame. Jetta, you seem like you wanted to go next.
Jenna, do it.
Circle.
Do it, Jenna, do it.
I'm saying you can go next. Oh, such an easy one.
Yeah. I'm as lame as a circle. Can you pass this?
Ooh, Dalton's going risky right away.
Risque.
Oh, I'm gonna go for this one. Get this Yeti moving a little bit.
Are you using one to show up?
Easy. Done.
Do it, Eddie.
Should I do an easy one?
What
Easy.
did you just
That
say?
one's
Easy. Jetta's turn.
Ooh, Jetta, that's...
Uh-oh.
that's...
I
Feeling.
succumb to peer pressure.
Feeling
you guys said
confident.
I was lame? Haha! Who's lame now? Whoa!
Yeah.
This thing's
Troy. Perfect.
This one's tough.
Nice.
It's bending.
Oh.
No, it was easy.
Oh, I regret this choice.
Do it.
I
Now you gotta
regret
do it.
you. I regret.
Pull.
I have regrets.
That one's
Pull
in
it.
there.
Do it.
Up, do it, do
Pull
it.
it.
Do it, committed.
That's it. We're not close
Dude,
enough.
that whole... That's a good Yeti, by the way.
He looks like me on the beach when I ate a lot of food and I'm just like,
No, that's definitely me.
No, it's
Okay.
me on the beach.
no,
No.
it's me.
No, stop it.
No.
It's me.
If a Yeti was hanging out in like a hammock, this is what it would do.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, are you ready? Yeti? Jetty?
Jetty.
Jetty the Yeti.
Jetty? Ready?
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, I'm starting lightning round.
Does that mean two?
I'm doing 2
At
a
once?
time. At a time. With one. Yeti the
Don't
spaghetti.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do it, Eddie.
Dude, that thing's ready to go.
2. Pull it. Yeah,
Oh,
go.
that's the whole
Do
pool.
it.
I'm just too strong.
Good job, Jetty.
Yes.
You have to
That's
check
risque.
these through.
Do
it.
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
2.
Oh, got him.
Oh man.
They weren't even touching the Yeti.
None of them are easy
Pull.
anymore. Like they're
That's
all kind
true,
of
that's
connected.
true, yeah.
Shoot.
You started
10,
pulling, keep
9,
pushing.
8,
But
7.
it's gonna pull it out. Oh gosh.
Wow, that was smooth.
Wow.
I did it.
Whoa.
Do it, Vitaly.
Do it.
Stop.
Just do it. Come on, do it. Do it. Ha. Oh, Eddie.
Oh,
why?
Eddie's gonna do spaghetti. Eddie's gonna do spaghetti.
Eddie.
Oh.
Wait.
Keep it moving. Keep it.
Was this a
All right, you
trap?
got it. Pull.
Okay. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Why are you like this? Why?
The tension is building.
Why did we decide to do 2 at a time?
Bull in a china shop. Bull in a china shop.
Oh no.
You guys be quiet. I'm just trying not to get spaghettied.
Okay, please pull
No,
that.
this one is.
Please just
Oh, phew.
So there's an easy move here.
Do
Is
it.
it?
Try it. If it's easy.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
No! Is it easy?
Yeah, go.
Now you gotta pull.
All right, okay.
No. Oh, Eddie. Eddie, what you got going on there, Eddie? Oh, Eddie. Oh.
Do it, Jetta. Do it, Jetta.
Ow!
We'll slow clap you into it. That way you'll be confident.
That was a terrible slow clap.
It worked, but that's so bad for us.
Get out of the. Yes!
I was gonna say thread, but these are PVs.
Oh! How is this happening? You had to do 2 at a time.
Yeah, you have to do 2 at a time.
2 at a time?
Yes.
At the same
Now you have to
time.
do 2 at a time. Ready?
So,
Go.
no, he's gonna get it.
No way. No.
Did better. It looks like. That's
He's
tight
down.
again. Dalton, you lost. I'm so sorry.
I'm not.
You did very well.
I'm not.
You pulled out
Clearly
3
I
at the end. So you get to be spaghetti.
Yes.
You made the spaghetti.
What should I say?
Why does it smell?
I'm sorry.
No.
There we go. There we go.
Now you have shoulder pads.
I'm a general in
Yeah.
the spaghetti army.
Okay, you know what? That took way too long. We have to do. This has to become harder because it's already set up for next round, Dalton.
Oh, great.
Any ideas on how to make it more difficult?
I have an idea.
Okay.
I think that we should have our eyes closed when we grab the sticks.
Jenna, that's a good idea.
Yes.
But what if, while your eyes are closed, a person comes up behind you, spins you around, walks you over to there, eyes still closed, you pick a stick, open your eyes, pull it out.
I think that's a good idea.
I love it. Let's do it.
Done deal. Let's
Terrifying
do
and
it.
weird, and exactly what we do best.
Dalton,
Dalton.
you lost. You want to pick someone to go first?
What?
Dalton goes
Or
first.
you
Yeah.
go first.
I'll go first.
You want to go first?
I
Yeah.
spin.
Jetta, you spin.
Close your
Jetta,
eyes.
you can position him where you want him to.
Okay, great. Close your eyes. Are they closed? Okay.
Yeah, they're closed.
Spinning around, not touching your spaghetti arm. Spinning around, not touching your spaghetti arm.
Spinning around, not touching your spaghetti arms. Spinning around, not touching your spaghetti arms.
Grab out, touch. Grab.
We're going 2 this round right away?
2, right away.
Okay.
Go. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Now you pick the next person to spin and move.
Vitaly.
I am ready to
Gonna be.
be.
Oh, cutie.
Oh no.
He goes,
Aw. Oh, I'm dizzy now. Oh, thank you, Dalton.
You're welcome.
What a lucky boy.
I got 3.
He's holding
Now
them.
you get
Okay,
to pick.
I
He's holding them.
pick Jetta.
What? Okay.
Okay, look this way, walk that way, like this. Okay, pick 2 sticks. Back up a little bit.
Oh, weird. Weird.
You got a bad one. You loosened a lot. Nice. You nailed it.
Do I spin Eddie? I
Yeah.
spin Eddie. Spin, spin, spin him. Spin him around. Come with me. We're going this way. Yes, oh, yes. We're going this way. I want him over.
Whoa! Yeah! This thing's about to go in.
Eddie, spin Dalton.
Stop,
stop.
Right,
all right, go ahead.
Oh. Oh my gosh, Dalton, if you lose again, I will cry with joy.
Oh, he's got it.
What
Oh.
a round.
Well done. Well done.
Bring around the road. Oh, I got stuff on here. I'm sorry. This way. This way. Right here. Here.
Grab.
Right here.
Grab.
Right here, Vitaly. Right here. All right. Pull.
Grab the stick.
You're safe.
Oh no.
You're safe.
Be safe.
It just falls in. It's just like, no, he's not.
Phew. Okay, grab.
Wait,
2, you have to grab 2.
Eyes are closed.
Nope.
This shouldn't affect anything.
Nope.
And yet, I feel.
Whoa! Let's do it.
Please don't.
Oh man, that kid.
Oh gosh. Yep, but there we go. It's over.
Where are you going? Are you freestyling?
Can't freestyle. Ah, stuck on my foot. Eddie, you're out of control. Okay, here we go. Just turn around. Just turn around. Yep, there you go.
Well, you just touched like
You've
3.
already touched 3.
Three, so
Yeah, he's touched 3.
Up the wall.
You like
Yeah,
You know what that means? You get extra slime.
Sorry, Eddie.
Okay, Eddie, you lost with a lot of confidence.
I'm so sorry.
You did it all
I'm
alone.
really sorry, yeah. And I know we promised a pool party and all, but it's like a slime pool party, so.
Yeah. I'm so sorry, Eddie. I am so sorry. Eddie got spaghetti.
This way, at least you'll be a general. This way
Eddie's
you'll go down
Eddie's
the bottom.
eyebrow was twitching.
Just don't salute or it'll get everyone.
Put yourself outside of the pain and discomfort, Eddie. Put yourself outside of it.